Hi everyone, it's Caitlyn here. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I do encourage you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Now, this little trailer video is a collaboration with Wholesale Halloween Costumes. This neon glam sugar skull tutorial is over on Wholesale Halloween Costumes channel. Direct link is in the description bar down below for you guys to click. Head on over there, subscribe to them, be super awesome to them like you are to me, and you'll see my face over there a lot because I work with them. So make sure to subscribe for special effects and crazy makeup over on their channel as well as mine, you know? I really hope you guys enjoyed this little trailer and do check out the tutorial. And comment down below what you're going to be for Halloween. I don't know what I'm going to be for Halloween, but we shall see. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful, okay? Bye.
I am you.